Good morning, dear learners. I welcome you all to yet another math online class. In today's session, we shall discuss the exercise 10.1, the remaining problems. So, the 14th problem, we'll start with the 14th question. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length 175 meter and breadth 125 meter at the rate of 12 rupees per meter. So here the park is to be fenced. So fencing is connected with the perimeter of the shape. So we have to calculate the perimeter of this shape first. So we will find the perimeter. So perimeter is equal to, the shape is a rectangle. So we find the perimeter of rectangle. So 2 times length plus breadth is the perimeter of rectangle. Then we substitute the value in the formula, that is 2 times length plus breadth. Here the length is 175 and the breadth is 125. So 175 plus 175 plus 125. Let us add the numbers in the bracket first. That is 175 plus 125. So what we get? 0, 1 carry over. Again 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1 carry over. Then 300. So we get 300 when we add the numbers in the bracket. So we write that. Let us write this 2 times 175 plus 125. Then 2 times, we remove the bracket. Instead of bracket, we give that sum of these two numbers. So 2 times 300, which is nothing but 600. So 600 meter is the perimeter of this rectangular park. Now we have to find the cost of fencing it for 12 rupees per meter. So the total perimeter is 600 meter. So 1 meter cost is given here. 1 meter it costs rupees 12. Therefore here 600 meter is the cost of. So we write cost is equal to 600 times 12, which is equal to, we have to multiply the numbers. So let us multiply. So instead of multiplying 600 into 12, it is enough. We multiply 12 times 6. 12 times 6, how much will come? 6 2s are 12, 1 carry over, we get 72. So 7, 2 we write, then 2 zeros in 600. So the cost of fencing the rectangular field is 7,200 rupees. So what we did, we calculate the perimeter of the rectangular park. Then the cost per meter is given 12 rupees. Then we multiply the perimeter times the cost per meter in order to get the total cost for fencing the rectangular park. Let us move on to the next word problem. Sweetie runs around a square park of side 75 meter. Bulbul runs around a rectangular park with length 60 meter and breadth 45 meter. Who covers less distance? In order to find who covers less distance, running around the park it is connected with the perimeter. So in order to find who runs less, we have to find the perimeter, the distance they run. Distance they run means Sweetie is running around the square park and Bulbul is running around a rectangular park. So we find the distance, that means the perimeter of square park as well as the perimeter of rectangular park. Which one is less, which perimeter is less, then that particular person covers the less distance. Let us calculate. Let us first calculate the distance covered by Sweetie. So perimeter of square park. So perimeter of square is, we know that it is 4 times the side. 4 times 75. So what we get? 75 times 4. 7 5 4s are 22 carry over. 7 4s are 28 plus 2 30. So we get 300. So we will get 300. So 300 meter. So sweetie covers 300 meter distance. Now let us find the distance covered by bulbul by finding the perimeter of a rectangle. So perimeter is equal to, we know that 2 times length plus breadth, which is equal to 2 times 60 plus 45. So first let us add the numbers in the bracket. 60 plus 45 is 105. That is 2 times 105, which is equal to, we will get 210 meter. So the product is 210 meter. Now see the distance covers by sweetie. Sweetie covers 300 meter and bulbul covers 210 meter. Now who covers less distance? Less distance is covered by bulbul, because the distance covered by bulbul is 210, which is less than the distance by sweetie, 300 meter. I hope you understood. Moving on to the next problem. What is the perimeter of each of the following figures? What do you infer from these answers? So there are some shapes given. So we have to find the perimeters of these shapes, and finally we have to write our inferences. So let us calculate the perimeter. So first figure is a square. Square perimeter is equal to 4 times the side. Side here given. What is the side measure? 25 centimeter. So 4 times 25, which is equal to 100. So 100 centimeter is the perimeter of square. Let's move on to the next figure. Next figure is a rectangle. Let us find the perimeter of this rectangle. Perimeter is equal to 2 times length plus breadth, which is equal to 2 times length is 40 centimeter and the breadth is 10 centimeter. So bracket number we add first. So 40 plus 10, 50. 50 times 2. So we get 100. So 100 centimeter is the perimeter of a rectangle. Moving on to the next diagram. Again another rectangle is there. So we find the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2 times length plus breadth, which is equal to 2 times 20 plus 30. So numbers in the bracket we add first. So bracket number sum is 50. Outside 2, which is equal to 2 times 50, 100. 100 centimeter is the perimeter of this particular rectangle. Then the last diagram, it's a triangle. So how do we calculate the perimeter of triangle? We add the measures on all the 3 sides. What are they? 30 plus 40. So how much we get? 30 plus 30, 60. 60 plus 40, 100. So 100 centimeter is the perimeter of this triangle. So what do we observe? What do we infer from these areas, perimeters of this diagrams? So we find that all the diagrams, all the shapes are having the same perimeter. See the perimeter of square 100, perimeter of rectangle 100 centimeter, again perimeter of rectangle 100 centimeter, then the perimeter of triangle also 100 centimeter. So I hope it helpful. Thank you all of you. Have a great day ahead.